Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a picture onto another picture in the Samsung Galaxy S series. Now, if you want to do that, head over to your gallery and tap on it. That's the gallery. Okay, tap on the picture. I want to use this as an example. So this is a picture. Tap on the picture that you want to add a picture onto it. So once you tap on it, you will see there. Okay, tap on the edit. So I'll tap on the edit, go downwards and you'll see the icon, the emoji icon there. Tap on it. So I'll tap on that emoji icon. You'll see the sticker icon there. Tap on the sticker icon. So I'll tap on that sticker icon. Now you will see these are icons I already created there. These are icons I created there. So I'm going to create a new icon so you can see how it's done. Okay, so look downwards, you're going to see this. Okay, these are icons, right? So I'm going to tap on the icon here, which is the gallery icon. So I'll tap on it. So I'm going to tap on the plus sign. I'll tap on this plus sign to select the picture that I want from the gallery. So I'll tap and there's a picture that I want to add onto that picture. So I've selected it. So you can decide to cancel if you don't want, or cancel to go back to choose another picture. But I'm going to go with the next. So I'll tap on the next. So it brings us to the sticker styles. So I'm going to select to look for a sticker style. So I actually like this sticker style, cut out sticker style. So I like it. I'm going to tap on the done, which you can see over there. Done. You'll see how nicely it's placed on this picture. So you can hold the handle here and extend it. You can see that. Extend the picture how you want it, and you can rotate the picture however you want it. If you don't like the picture, there is an icon there, the delete icon. You can delete the picture and select another one if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to move this picture and position it just right there. So this is how to put a picture onto another picture in the Galaxy S26 series. So when you finish, go at the top there, you will see save the document. So I'm going to save the document, or tap on the revert to start all over again. So I'll tap on the save. So it is now saved onto my gallery. So I'll go back to the gallery and tap on the gallery, and let's look for this. And that is it over there in my gallery, and that is what we created. If the video helped you, please support the channel with a like, subscribe, or share the video. I'll see you in the next one.